Welcome, welcome. Bienvenidos, familia, once again. Welcome to the stream. We're live and talking markets, stocks, and crypto. Make sure to subscribe. I stream daily, market open. Welcome back. Yes, sir. Make sure to subscribe, guys. Super chats, I'll read your message and shout out your favorite ticker or coin. Yes, sir. And if you become a member today, I might just pull a surprise challenge at the end of the stream. We'll see. Okay, guys, let's get it started with the pre-market numbers. So let me pull up over here everything, my notes. Awesome. So let's get into it. It says over here, guys, that the futures are up. Nasdaq is up 0.8%, S&P is up 0.6%, and the Dow is up 0.5%. Trump's 100% chip tariffs hits headlines. Yes, sir. You can see here, guys, in Seeking Alpha, which is what I use. But surprise, he carved out exemptions for companies manufacturing in the US. So TSMC soared. Nvidia and Apple are safe for now, okay? And I want to go ahead and take a quick look at the charts and see how it's looking like for these companies. And it's already here. Okay. So let's start with I want to take a look at Taiwan Semiconductor and see how it's doing. Pre-market, TSMC. So Taiwan Semiconductor, let's zoom in. Ooh. TSMC, what? TSM. There you go. TSM is 243 pre-market. Look at that, guys. What a beautiful bounce from the latest drop over here on April. Wow. We went to 243. Crazy. And let's take a look at Apple. Apple at 218, guys. I told you guys as we were gonna bounce up. We got a 2-pole oscillator buy signal here at 190s. We're currently at 218 pre-market, so we're doing good. That daily, bro, close bullish engulfing. And the other one that we want to take a look at is Nvidia from 179 to 181. Our target is 200 from Needham. We're ready to reach Morgan Stanley's target, so we're doing good. We're doing good. Great numbers there. Now let's move along, guys. For now, we're safe on those. So Trump tariff storm plus Apple play. So over here, guys, you can see that Trump said tariffs are coming for chips unless they're made in America. But Apple's got a poker hand. They just committed $100 billion more investment to the US. Wells Fargo says it's all about dodging tariffs. Apple stock is up big after the news, and I already showed you guys that Apple today is at 218.94. So Apple is doing very, very good. And if you want, we can take a look at the monthly candle. We can see that we started to become bullish after a big, massive rejection at 170s. 170s was a great entry point. Welcome, Melissa. I hope that you're doing good. Jeff Bezos, eat your heart out. Jeff Bezos, eat your heart out. Let's see what happens. There's an article that I want to review from Jeff Bezos. So let's see. The other one that I want to review is Intel, guys. INTC. So we are still at a support. We're lower today from 2041 to 1986. But why? Trump went off on Intel's CEO today, guys. And he said he actually called him highly conflicted and said he must resign. Lip Bhutan. Trump is saying to resign. And because of that, Intel stock dropped 3% pre-market, which is pretty heavy because if you think about it, he just saying to the dude resign. And I know that Intel, bro, has the amazing opportunity to manufacture in the US, and I don't know, I haven't seen any progress on it. So maybe that is true that he has to resign. Maybe we need a better CEO, bro. But for me, we'll have to wait and find out what will happen in this support area, bro. Because if we break lower, we can head to 15. Because if you look to the left on the monthly time frame, that's a potential zone that we gotta revisit. But if we get enough confirmations and break our resistance, we may go up. So right now, it is consolidating. We have to wait and find out, guys. Not making any decisions here. I just don't like this lower high. Okay? Gotta get out of it. Let's continue, guys. Jeff Bezos or Bozos? But anyways, guys, the other interesting article that I just pulled out is the initial jobless claims. So jobless claim just jumped. Initial jobless claims came in at 226,000, higher than expected. Continuing claims hit the highest level since 2021. Is the labor market starting to crack? And guys, if you wanna get that information very, very fast, I suggest taking a look at forexfactory.com/calendar. It's a free source of news, macro news, okay? You get over here, guys, and you can see that we got a lot of news. By the way, today is Thursday already? No, that's crazy, bro. the week went by so fast, bro. So President Trump speaking today at 3 p.m. He says over here, we got a lot of folders here. But the concern that I have right now is that none of this is gonna be not manipulating, but moving the market. But I do see the unemployment claims here, 226K. The forecast was 221K. Pretty strong, guys. So that means the dollar moved. And let's see how we moved, because the DXY dictates a lot. Ooh, higher low, bro. Is this a higher low? Not yet, not yet, not yet confirmed. I'm waiting for it. If this higher low gets confirmed, the dollar is gonna go up, guys. But not yet. We haven't broken the trend line. I'm patient, bro. I'm waiting for a double bottom of some sorts, or at least a break like this, bro. This break. You had a support, pumps, break of a trend line, pops, higher low, pump. So let's wait and find out. Actually, we're very close. Not yet. Okay, let's move forward with Amazon, Jeff Bezos. So Amazon Zoox. Let's put Amazon here in the charts. Amazon at a resistance 220.91, the current price. Amazon Zoox just got federal exemption to test self-driving robotaxis without steering wheels or brake pedals. Wish, that's huge. They're now testing in 6 major US cities. Tesla and Waymo, watch out. But that's crazy. No brake pedals, bro. What about for emergencies, bro? I don't know. Things can get crazy, you know what I mean? But currently the price is 220s. We're still in an uptrend. Maybe revisiting this broken resistance. Have to wait and find out. A little bit overbought. The daily, actually, the weekly shows me good signs here. Let's see the daily 4 hour. Okay, it's crossing. Actually, this can go up. We'll see. And the market opens in 3 minutes, guys. Let's go ahead and take a quick look at the crypto bubbles and see how it's performing today. Dímelo, Justinify. How you doing, my? How you doing, my bro? Ooh, something. So crypto is actually in the green. Look at this. Let's take a look at the big guys. So Bitcoin is up 1.17%. Ooh, we broke a trend line here, guys. We're starting to go up. Crypto is about to go up. See that trend line? 1, 2, 3. 3 touch of a trend line. I think we're gonna be heading up. You just gotta break out of this major trend line and we should be good. Ethereum 3,800s. Woo. We did go down to 3,400s. And that's it. That was the downside. I don't know, man. I wanna wait and find out. Let's see what happens here, guys. Ooh, that monthly is that the monthly candle was a bullish engulfing. Let's see if the third time is the charm, bro. Look at this. Crazy. That's a big rejection. Ethereum is doing good, looking good. XRP is at 306. Let's wait and find out if this is gonna be a strong zone, bro, because this here, strong zone. Whoa, we got out of the freaking downward channel, bro. Okay. This is actually looking good. This is looking good. Higher lows. We broke. Okay, this is actually looking good, bro. Keeping an eye on XRP. Cardano, 76 cents. I actually got in again in Cardano, guys. A minute to win it. Solana is 171. We're looking good, bro. We're looking good. Crypto is actually looking good. We broke some trend lines. This is actually looking good, bro. Jasmine. Oh, Jasmine with a double bottom. Okay, Jasmine with a double bottom in the 4 hour. I like that. Look at that break of a trend line, bro. Here we go, bro. This is gonna go up. Guys. Jasmine looks good to me. We break that resistance and we good. Yes, sir. This is what I'm looking for. This is what I always look for. Looking good. Spell token yesterday pumped and it dumped again, but I'm not discouraged by it. So crypto is actually doing good. Let's see the biggest gainers in crypto real quick before we get to the stock market heat map. So Bio is up 41%, Omni 31%, Orca 19, Pendle is 14, God's Chain. Look at this. God's on Chain 18.4. Good. We're actually, I think there's gonna be a bullish market in crypto. Let's see. This one, the spell token went down back down 8%. Yesterday it had a pump out of the blue. Okay, so the market is open. So let's pull up the stock market heat map. Any new crypto I have my eyes on? I'm still in Jasmine, yeah, bro. Any new crypto? New crypto. Not really, nothing new for me. I mean, I can say that I'm in like Pepe or Bunk. I mean, these meme coins. But nothing's as serious as the ones that I just talked about. Yeah, these ones I get in because of they're on the Ethereum blockchain. So, but let's see the stock market heat map. So Apple 1.6%, AMD 2.8%. Coinbase is actually up 3.8%, guys. Nobody talking about it. Tesla negative 0.2%. Product manufacturing, Amat is doing insane, bro. 4%. Eli Lilly getting hurt. BDX is actually up. Not a lot of movement, but I do see more green than gray. More green than gray and red. So it is starting as a good day, bro. AMD is doing phenomenal, 3.4%. AMD, we talked about it. It retraced a little bit because people were taking profits. We're at 168. We reached our resistance, and there we go, bro. We're starting to go up again. AMD, bro. Look at this. Just hit this zone here, and we reject it. But there's still momentum here. Still in an uptrend, so we should be good. Just want to watch out for this resistance. You look like a chunky Jose Moreno. You know why I look chunky? I look chunky because my camera is in this position. But thank you for letting me know that I look chunky, because I thought I looked too skinny. Appreciate it, bro. What symbol are you looking at? So, companies. There's a few companies that I'm keeping an eye on. For example, keeping an eye on Rivian, because Rivian, I want to see what's gonna happen here. In this flag. Right now we are down, so definitely can push lower to 1076. I'm keeping an eye on SENS. Yesterday we had some earnings. It doesn't seem like we had good earnings, so I want to keep an eye on that. Oh, the chart cut off. Let me see. Oh, espérate. That's on me, man, bro. Espérate. Can you see now? Espérate. Let me fix it. Let me fix that for you, my bro. Should be good now. Perfect, right? There you go. Sorry about it. So it seems like earnings were bad for... Actually, weren't bad. Look at that. They had a surprise revenue, bro. 627,000, 10.4%. That's actually good. SENS. But it is crashing down, bro. Look at it. Why? Because they don't have any freaking earnings. Say MedTech firm Senseonics Q2 revenue up 37%, net loss narrows. SENS Q2 revenue grew 37% year over year to 6.6 million, driven by US patient growth. Net loss narrows to 14.5 million, aided by improved gross profit margins. Company raised 77.8 million to support Eversense 365 launch and pipeline development. Sensonics expects 2025 revenue of 34 to 38 million. Company projects 2025 gross margins of 32.5 to 37.5%. SENS anticipates cash use of 60 million in 2025. Revenue expected to be weighted to Q4 due to reorder dynamics. Result drivers: patient growth, 79% increase in new patient starts in the US drives revenue growth. DTC advertisement, expanded direct-to-consumer campaign boost leads by 50%. Gross profit margins, improved margins on 365-day product and one-time tax gain enhanced profitability. The current average analyst rating on the shares is buy, and the breakdown of recommendation is 4 strong buy or buy, 1 hold and 1 sell or strong sell. The average consensus recommendation for the medical equipment supplies and distribution peer group is buy. Wall Street's median 12-month price target of SENS holding is 1.33, about 61.8% above its August 5th closing price of 51 cents. Okay, so average, good price. Right now, not doing well. So the numbers are good, but not good for certain investors. They're closing out positions. And like I said, guys, we were a little bit overbought, so waiting for that oversold territory. And if this drops more, this can even actually go stay where it's at, 43, or it can drop even to 34. So I'm gonna keep an eye on that discount prices for me. Okay, yeah, it's looked like a head and shoulder. Palantir, let's look at Palantir, something that I'm looking at. 179, still holding, bro. This motherfucker can definitely go to 200. Really, look at that candle, bro. It's crazy. We already broke the resistance. Look at that. That's crazy, bro. We're doing good. Palantir is doing good. See what else. So definitely keeping an eye on Riot blockchain related to crypto. 12.10, looking good. Other one will be Mara. Marathon Holdings 1634. Great opportunities here for upside as well. Let's see. Okay, let's take a look at JetBlue. Man, JetBlue still holding there, bro. See what happens there. Look at the candles, looking good. We got a 2-pole oscillator buy signal here for the weekly. Could be good. Delta Airlines already had it at 46. We're already at 54. Carnival Cruise Lines, something that I want to keep an eye on as well. Look at this. Carnival Cruise Line, bro. This could be a good game, like a good winner. We have to break the resistance that we're at, where we are right now, but look at the range, bro. We can go to 70s. 2026 could be a good year, bro. So we gotta be patient about that. Let me see. Have you looked at Swecon? Let's see. A lot of companies reporting today. Yeah, we can take a look at that before I go. Swecon. Are you sure that's the right one, bro? Or Sucon? Anyways, maybe that was a joke. John Madden. Let's see real quick. See if I can find a stock market earnings calendar. Okay, it says over here earnings calendar. There's a few. There's a lot of companies, bro. That's crazy. But there has to be like there's a, I think it's a Twitter account. Gives us like the earnings. Yeah, it's the same. Look, Eli Lilly, Gilead, Conoco, Philips, Brookfield, Constellation Energy. Look at that. Motorola, Parker, Vista, Monster. Bro, there's a lot of companies here with earnings. I don't like to get in earnings, bro. It's just a very scary one. Scary moment for me. Look at that. Look at all the companies that report today, bro. Trump calls on Intel CEO to resign. Yeah, already checked that out. Let's see if there's like a calendar thing. Yeah, Eli Lilly. Yeah, and it's losing right now, bro. You can see Eli Lilly here. They already reported. Surprise was 0.71, 12.7%. Revenue forecast was 14.7 billion, and the actual was 15.56 billion, which is crazy because it actually went well, no? And look at how it's going down, bro. That's crazy. From 738 to 648, bro. That's crazy. And we already called it out. This was overbought, bro. Super overbought. We got this trend line, bro. We gotta go down, bro. It's not looking good. Look, broke here, super easy, bro. Now we gotta wait for capitulation, bro. That's looking nasty, bro. 500 can happen, bro. Until this doesn't get oversold, I wouldn't even get in. But I think... Is there anything else you want me to review, bro? Justinify. Ooh, Bitcoin against that trend line. Look at that. Fighting. Ethereum fighting that zone too, but looking pretty bullish on the daily right now. 4 hours is not looking that beautiful. XRP, bro. Whoosh, XRP could be good. XRP for some reason looks good to me. If there's one more pullback, this may go higher, bro. And this Rivian 1195. One that I'm watching. Let's see if this earning calendar. There you go. This is what I was looking for. This is what I was looking for. So Thursday, Best Buy? This is so old, bro. So this is not good. I thought we were gonna get it. We don't. Look at that, bro. But anyways, I think we reviewed everything that I wanted to check out. Let me see real quick. Let me look at Disney real quick to see how it's going. 115. Oh, Disney with the downside. Broke a trend line, bro. Resistance. Didn't get to break that resistance. Maybe a higher low will be needed before we can go up. I think Disney has a great opportunity here. Okay. We had Apple, Intel, Trump tariffs, Zoox, and crypto bubbles. What a morning. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. I go live every day pre-market. And if you're watching the replay, drop your favorite ticker or token below. Much love, mi gente. See y'all mañana. We do the videos con mucho amor. And as always, have a beautiful day. Let's go.